Dear students, in the last class we have seen De Morgan's Boolean theorems. Today we will continue with another concept called min term, minimum term, or it is commonly called as min term. It is a product of all the literals with or without bar. All the literals, that means constants. Min term is a product of all the literals with or without bar within the logic system. Okay, that is the definition of min term. It is a product of all the literals with or without bar within the logic system. For example, if I take x is one literal, again x bar is another literal. Commonly it may be 1 or 0. X means 1 in normal form, x bar means 0, complement. When it is normal, that we will take it as a 1 without bar. With bar, we will take it as a 0. That is, the min term is product of all the literals with or without bar. With or without bar, with or without bar, within the logic system. Even we can give the definition in this way: a single variable or the logical product of several variables. We will call it as a min term. The variable may appear either in its normal form, that is x, or in its complement form, x or x bar. If variable value is 0, then we will take it as a complement. Variable value is 0, then we will take it as a complement. If variable value is 1, we will take it as a x in normal form. So for example, we will see two variables using min term. Maybe x and y. X and y, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Then we can take min term in this way. So 0 is there, so x bar, into, again 0 is there in the y, so y bar. So min term is x bar into y bar. And it is designated as m0. That means the first element we will take it as a m0, min term, 0th element. Again 0, 1. Now 0 is x bar and 1 is in normal form, so y. 1 is normal form, so y. So x bar y, that is m1, min term 1. Again 1, 0, x and y bar. 1 means x, 1 means with no bar, 0 means with bar. So here 0 is in y, so we will take it as a y bar, x, y bar, m2. Again 1, 1. Both are in normal form, so x, y. That is m3. Okay, and here everything is explained. A symbol for each min term is also shown in the table, and it is in the form mj, where j denotes the decimal equivalent of the binary number of the min term designated. That is 0, 0 is 0, 0, 1 is 1, 1, 0 is 2, 1, 1 is 3. Okay, m0, m1, m2, m3. For example, the min term x, y, z bar, whose combination is 1, 1, 0. So x is 1, y is 1, z bar is 0. 1, 1, 0 can be written as m6, as decimal equivalent of 1, 1, 0 is 6. Why we are taking m6? Since 1, 1, 0, so 4 plus 2, 6. So 1, 1, 0 is nothing but 6. 1, 1, 0 equivalent decimal number is 6. So we can represent it as m6. A Boolean expression may be represented from a given truth table by forming a min term for each combination of the variable, which produces as 1 in the function and then taking the OR of all those terms. So for example, we will see one truth table, but don't think about the output, how the result has come. Just see the truth table. X, Y, Z values are given as common 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we can see the min term is X bar, Y bar, Z bar, because all are 0. And here 0, 0, 1, X bar, Y bar, Z. And here 0, 1, 0, X bar, Y, Z bar. And 0, 1, 1, X bar, Y, Z. Okay, 1, 0, 0, X, Y bar, Z bar. And 1, 0, 1, X, Y bar, Z. And the designation is M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7. So if the expressions are given, maybe X bar, Y, Z bar plus X bar, Y, Z plus X, Y, Z bar as the Boolean expression, then all those things, min terms, we will take it as 1. Since the expression contains X bar, Y, Z bar, X bar, Y, Z, X, Y, Z bar, and then X, Y, Z bar. So 1, 1, 1. Since each of the min term result is 1, we can take it as like there are 3 min terms. Maybe we can represent it like this way. F of X, Y, Z, the function X, Y, Z, that is variables, is equal to X bar, Y, Z bar, plus X bar, Y, Z plus X, Y, Z bar. That means wherever the 1 is there, that they have taken. They have shown one example. 1, 1, 1 is here. So that is X bar, Y, Z bar, X bar, Y, Z and X, Y, Z bar. So the expression may be like this. X bar, Y, Z bar plus X bar, Y, Z plus X, Y, Z bar. So X bar, Y, Z bar, what it represents? X bar, Y, Z bar represents maybe M2. So M2 plus M3, since X bar, Y, Z, that is nothing but 0, 1, 1 is 3. So that is plus M3. X, Y, Z bar, that is nothing but 1, 1, 0, that is 6. So M6. And this type of combination of or addition of min terms, we will call it as a SOP, sum of product expression. SOP, sum of product expression. So we can represent in this way. F of X, Y, Z is equal to summation of 2, 3, 6. That is sigma 2, 3, 6. That we can call it as a summation of 2, 3 and 6. Where f is a Boolean function with 3 variables x, y, z and can be read as function f is sum of second, third and sixth min term. So here the definition, we can see the definition of sum of product, SOP. A sum of product expression is a product term or several product terms logically added. So logically added sum, we will call it as a SOP. For example, make the assumption, they have given one example, x, y bar, z bar to solve. Then how we have to write that thing? So first you have to find binary equivalent of x, y bar, z bar. X is 1, y bar is 0, z bar is 0. So binary equivalent is 1, 0, 0. And the decimal equivalent of this one is 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to 0. That is nothing but 0 plus 0. This is 0. Again this is 0 multiplied by 0. But 1 into 2 raised to 2, that is 4. 4 plus 0, 0. So the result is 4. So x, y bar, z bar is equal to M4. So find the min term and display or print the designation, then you have to take in this way. Even we can see one more example. A, B bar, C, D bar. That is binary equivalent is A is 1, C is 1 and two terms are 0, 0. That is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. That is decimal equivalent is 1, 0, 1, 0. So 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to 0. That is nothing but 8, 4, 2, 1 method. 2 raised to 3 is 8. So 8 is here. 0 into 2 raised to 2 means 0. 1 into 2 raised to 1 is 2 and then 0. So 8 plus 2, the result is 10. So we can write A, B bar, C, D bar is nothing but M10. So if the products are given, maybe ABCD is equal to 0, 0, 1, 0, ABCD is equal to 1, 1, 0, ABCD is equal to 1, 1, 1, 0. Then write the SOP expression. If it is given in this way, then how to write? So 0, 0, 1, 0, that is nothing but A bar, B bar, C, D bar. A bar, B bar, C, D bar. Plus 1, 1, 0. That means A is there, B is there, C, but D is not there. So only 1, 1, 0. So A, B and then C bar. Plus 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. It's A, B, C, D bar. A, B, C, D bar. So this is SOP expression for the given values. So there may be questions in this way. Maybe the first method, they will give the X, Y bar, Z bar and find out the min term designation. Then this may be the method. There may be some more questions. One more question format. They will give the values for the variables and you have to write it in SOP expression method. Thank you students. Go through the min term explanation. If there are any confusions, revert me or maybe you can query me through WhatsApp. Thank you. God bless you.